My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. We are discussing trigonometry. Today we have a new topic of trigonometry, that is how to find positive and negative coterminal angles for the positive angle. Okay, now look at the question. Here is 300 degrees positive angle is given. We have to find the positive coterminal angles and negative coterminal angles of this 300 degree, okay, and with the help of formula. Okay, the formula is, if you want to find positive coterminal angles, then you have the formula theta plus 360 degree n means the natural number 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, now you have to put the value of theta, that is 300 degree plus. Now we're going to put here in the place of n1, then you will get 660 degree. 660 degree is the positive coterminal angle of 300 degree. If you want to watch my previous video, then you will get the clear idea of the coterminal angles. Okay, now you have to put 2 in the place of n, then you will get theta is 300 degrees plus this is 720 degree, then you will get 1020 degree. It means that 660 degree and 1020 degrees are positive coterminal angles of 300 degree because they have same terminal and same initial sides. That is why they are known as coterminal angles. Now let's talk about negative coterminal angles, how to find negative coterminal angles of 300 degree. Okay, here is the formula. You have to put the values here. Okay, 300, theta is 300 degree, and you will put in the place of n1, then you will get 300 degree minus 360 degree, then you will get the answer minus 60 degree. Minus 60 degree is a negative coterminal angle of the 300 degree. Now you can put any value in the place of n, means any natural number. Okay, you will put 2 here, and theta is 300 degrees minus this 360 times 2, you will get 720, and now you have to subtract them with the help of calculator. You will get minus 420. Okay, minus 420 degree. Now you have to notice that minus 60 degree and minus 420 degrees are negative coterminal angles of 300 degree. Okay, now these 5 angles, 300 degree, 60 degree, 1020 degree, minus 60 degree, minus 420 degree, they all have same initial and terminal sides. That is why they are known as coterminal angles. Okay, today lecture is over. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below or send me an email mentioned in the description. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.